I'm Neil with Egge Machine Company. I'm here to talk about the products we manufacture in the United States. Egge Machine Company started out in 1915 manufacturing pistons that, since they were very hard to come across, the aftermarket had not really progressed. There was no support, especially for pistons. We started out sand casting, and then after World War II, we progressed into permanent die, permanent mold. Majority of our molds are OEM molds that were designed by the factory to be used in this engine right from the beginning. We also CNC machine every piston. So you have the best of both worlds. You have the same piston that came in that engine right from the factory, and it's CNC machined in a modern fashion, so you have the best possible quality. Egge Machine uses A332 aluminum alloy, which is the most stable alloy for aluminum pistons. It's what has been used probably since aluminum pistons were introduced. The nice thing about Egge pistons, since we use factory molds, you're getting an engineered part, not a re-engineered part, reverse engineered part to fit that vehicle. So you're getting what was called out from the factory from day one. We manufacture all of our pistons in the United States. This is one of our pistons that are right out of the mold, and then they go through a very large process of machining and quality inspection. Every piston is inspected at every stage of the machining process and afterwards in our QA department. We make pistons from the early 1900s up to 1980. Buick Nailhead, Olds Rocket, Cadillac V8s, Ford Flathead, Model T, all the way up to high performance, small block Chevy. We try to keep a wide variety of our pistons in stock and in proper oversizes that are necessary for your customers' engines. We also manufacture stainless steel valves. We're the only ones who have a production 409-348 stainless steel valve. And we also custom manufacture valves to your customer specs. So if there's a custom application, we can also handle that. Egge Machine also carries a complete line of engine rebuild kits and has a very large selection of NOS bearings to choose from that are not in production today. Egge Machine prides itself on made in America and quality. Egge also remanufactures oil pumps, water pumps, and fuel pumps. So if you have a customer that has a numbers matching engine and he wants that original water pump back or original fuel pump, we can remanufacture it and test it so it meets manufacturer's specifications. We also do custom poured Babbitt bearings and line boring. So if you've got a customer with an earlier engine that needs new bearings, we can turn the crank and also realign bore and make sure everything's square and ready to go.